something wrong here. I swear I was looking and I bent and I take the measurement and I was like, my colleagues like start laughing at me like, oh, you become crazy. And in the end I discovered and he showed me where it's at. And this is changed my whole way of thinking. Even when I have many interviews. The best interview with me was the city when I went to apply for the CNC machines. The result is, he said, we were amazed from your interview because the way they asked me, I was giving not the right answer, but the perfect answer. And this place, not just only for a job. I swear, they were behind me until now. I came because it's Christmas time, I finished my job, I just came to say, Merry Christmas, and I discovered there is a graduation. I'm telling you, this place for me, it was not my second home, it was my first home in New York. If you have a map, and this map, you can't read it, and you don't know where you're going. Here they give me a map, they give me the key to read this map. I have opportunity to have a job here. The first job in US, it was here. Second job was not fit because a lot of stuff, they were behind me. They took me back. When I applied for the second opportunity for the CNC, Cassandra, she did something, I don't know what she did, my name was inside. She did amazing. I swear, because when I came in, it was amazing. And then when I know what she did. She can't sit still until get it done. And I'm telling you, this place, I'm so grateful for this place, for everybody here. And now I have a good job with a great future. CNC machines, and I'm operating a big laser machine. I'm dealing with metal now, not wood, but I'm telling you, it's affect me and it changed everything. The way I'm working there, they took my notes when I said we need to do this. How you know this? Oh, my boss told me. I always call him my director, up to now. Up to now I said my director, my instructor, my best instructor up to now. I went, I had the opportunity to finish and to apply for the program, and when I was in a program, I was the first in the class. I finished and I was the first in the class, not because I'm good, no, because they trained me good. Really, they trained me good. I had this experience, I'm not afraid of anything, any machine, I can start. I can learn it. And now I have a really good job with a great future, and this place is always the place I love to come just to say hi. I feel more comfortable when I'm here. I'm telling you this, not just only 7 weeks of engagement with this place. I think it will be lifetime engagement. They support and they push you, and whatever you face in your life, here, wash up, and you go with the precious stuff from here. Thank you, everybody.
You better bring me the tears.
I know. Well, no, Mom is like the unofficial spokesperson for the West. Because like everywhere he goes, he like is like a really he tells the side of the story of what he sees. So it's actually we never have this like a bonus director. We never have a right after that. But he really is like 2 stores away. So he does come for lunch. He'll come hang out and just say hi. So it really is just fun to see him. Like he said, Muhammad is not the one that I'm talking about when I say like we chase people down. Muhammad is like always here. He always checks in, just to even tell us how we're doing, to say how college. So it makes our day because we do invest time and energy in every single student. 7 weeks is kind of fast for you guys, but all 3 of us put so much energy into each and every one of you guys, and not confusing. We put so much energy into people. So we like to hear that you're doing good. We like to hear that, everything is working out well. So thank you.
Thank you so much. I just need to add one thing.
Yeah.
The second round for the CNC apprentice program, I met 3 guys from here. They invite me to speak like what I did now, because I was the first in the class and I will speak about the program. I met 3 guys, And there is, I think, two companies. One of this company, it was woodworking. And first time they apply to find somebody to train them. So it's from here.
He really is like the spokesperson for it. He's like the unofficial spokesperson for it. But it's like, oh, we can't make it to the event. Well, I'll have to see you tomorrow.
I can't remember. I told you.
So we appreciate that. So it's, honestly, like, you are more than welcome to come back. Let us know what's going on. You're always welcome here, as you can see. He came in and gave free candy, a free candy. This has been a great 7 weeks. It's always cool to end the year with this class. I have to honestly say, I know I joke all the time, but you guys are really, really great class. So so you guys bonded together, you guys worked together, you guys are just a great, great group. So thank you for ending the year on a really good note. We have 2 weeks and we have over another group, so it's crazy. As Scott said, please be Muhammad. Please continue to keep us posted on what's going on. We want you guys to let us know when you're working. I don't want to be chasing people down just to ask them to help us, we help you. We want you guys to help us in return. So just whenever you can, please just stay in contact. Respond back to the texts or email. Just do what you can. So thank you again. So do anyone remember the very first day of class? What I did with you guys the very first day of class? Yes. So, the very first day of class for a few visitors that's here, we did, the question was, would you take 1 penny a day and double that same penny every single day for 30 days, or would you take $10,000 cash? I can't remember the statistics in the room, but I believe usually it's about half and half. So either half or more people took the $10,000, because obviously in your mind, $10,000 sounds like a lot of money. There's no value, as I explained. And in the outcome, if you take a penny a day and double the penny every single day for 30 days straight, you get $5 million. So the concept of it, yes. Okay. Yes. So the concept of it is, one, if you do anything for 21 days straight, you kind of learn how to do a new habit or new pattern. If you take a penny a day, double it for 21 days straight, you will have over $10,000. You continue doing it for another 15 days roughly, you will have $5 million. So I have been walking the streets of New York and New Jersey, and I explained to you guys that a penny has no value, as people often just drop it on the floor, people step over it. It actually costs 3 to 4 US cents to make 1 penny. However, we still make it. So as useless as a penny is, I have been picking them up off the streets of New York, and I put them in little baggies for you guys. I give to you guys, as today is starting this program with your penny. So not that it's going to be $5 million at the end of the day, but you go. But I want you guys to take this penny and remember Brooklyn Woods, and remember this is the start of your first day. It's very so here you go. So it's the start of your first day, and if anyone has another valuable penny, people won't give it to you. But no, so I want you guys to remember this penny. I know it's just a penny and a lot of people stepped over it. Some pennies, you don't know the history of a penny, but this is your penny, your first start of the day. Whether you use it back for the first 7 weeks of the program or from now moving forward, I want you guys to remember the value of a penny. It may seem like a penny now, but look at Muhammad's story. He had patience, dedication. It took him a year. And he's honored to say he has not even a job, he has a career. After 7 weeks up here, you heard his story, he had nothing. And a lot of individuals who share a similar story, or at least share the feeling of not having enough, not being able to provide for your family, not being able, always taking handouts or whatever. So remind you that this penny is just the start of a new day, and there's many more to come, and invest in yourself, and then maybe be $5 million, But thank you again, it's been a pleasure, and I'm really excited for you guys. So, yep, it's got.
Oh, yeah. So,
I know, we're all over the place.
so now we open up the floor to you guys. If you guys want to say anything, us, to your classmates, you can take the opportunity to do so now. And then we'll hand out the certificates and OSHA cards. Now it's your turn to make us questions.
I want to say thank you to all you guys, for your help, Sandra, Chris, Scott, for coming, all you guys, Angela, Ray, Roman, Mary, Messiah, Pown, Toy, everybody, man, you guys are special. Feel like family here, taking everything I learned here in my life, Thank you. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. And secrets, man, secrets. Video I watched on.
Oh, yeah, you finished it?
No, not yet.
Okay.
But I just want to thank you guys too. At first, like when I originally was researching the program and then came here, I was just like, oh, it'd be cool to like just learn this stuff, like make a little hobby out of it. And then honestly, the first day, the second day, every moment since, it turned into like more of a passion that I definitely want to pursue long term, hopefully for life, if everything can happen. So thank you for like helping direct me onto a path that I didn't really know I wanted till now. And everyone has been so special, and I love like coming here and seeing your faces. But thank you. I started with myself.
I'll say something. When I first started, I never thought I would even like learn this shit correctly. I was like, okay, woodworking sounds really cool, but really hard. I'm really clumsy. I don't know how this is gonna work out. But I'm really thankful that Chris and Scott and Cassandra were here to push us along. For a while I felt like a chicken running around without like a head on, but I feel like I have some direction now and I can see a little bit into the future, so I'm really thankful to be here.
Thank you guys for putting up with me for 7 weeks. I tend to tune people out when I'm working, and I'm sorry for that. And I'm sorry if I was rude and offend people. No. Yeah. Thanks, Ed. I really love hanging out with you guys and laughing with you guys. And I like that you laugh when I pull on my socks.
Is your toaster, does it still have the smiley face on it?
You sock and took out the line. But yeah, I really love hanging out with you guys. And I learned from you guys too, like people's guys. You learn from pain, like you're in front of people. Thank you.
I would like to say thank you guys for this program and kind of putting your expertise out there for others to devour and take in as they wish. I first thought I had a conversation with Cassandra, and I was like, yeah, after the program, I'm going to open my own shop. And she said, after this, you will basically just know the basics. So I was like, no, yeah, you tell this to everybody, but yeah, I'm going to open my own shop. After, I said, I didn't even finish my cabinet yet. So I definitely have a very long way to go. But I'm super excited. I do want to learn more about the CNC, and I wasn't joking. I will literally be here every day, like if the class is still going on. So you're probably going to have to like put a restraining order on me. But thank you, class. You guys were cool. I am thankful for the opportunity to meet and learn with you, and
I guess I'll be seeing you.
that's it.
Solamente and I've learned a lot. I'm going to say very much thankful for that subject. I remember when she was interviewing me, I'll be like, oh, we're going to get into this program, you know. So I guess when she was like, how old I am, it was like, I'm just she was like, are you gonna feel comfortable with these younger kids? And I was like, oh, I'm here to do what I gotta do, you know. And then from there, I was thinking what happened in the back, but then I asked her and getting back and with my face, and it was much easier around here to get to passenger, but it's easier in the back, you know. So I said, okay. But I just want to say thanks to my classmates. I feel really happy when you guys, you know, because just at the end, you know, when I started learning about 16. How you do and what's going on and stuff like that. But then, you know, they deal with me and stuff, help me and help me, and then sometimes we'll go on top of practice and then that's how we get it. Sometimes we'll come out and say, I got it, you know. So I just want to say thanks and I feel happy moving forward and giving all your work. Anyway, okay.
You're looking at me?